Students, today you learned about contractions with the word will, and you will be doing this Schoology activity with the words containing will. You will be dragging the two words as she will. You'll drag that to the yellow column, and then you will click in the green column and type in the contraction for she will. S-H-E apostrophe will replace W-I, and then you'll type L-L. I'll do one more example for you. I'll drag they will to the yellow column, and then click in the green column, and I'll type in they, and then an apostrophe takes the place of W-I, and I'll type in L-L. Do this for the remaining two words that are on the yellow rectangles, and type in the remaining contractions.